Yeah, hell yeah. Alright, so I got most of the sleds done that I want for my sled cabinet. Down here at the bottom I got a bench hook, so it's not really a table saw sled, but the bench hook comes in handy for many different reasons. Mostly planing comes to mind, but there's all sorts of other things. The miter sled works out great. It was much like my old miter sled, but it fits in my cabinet and I can store it here and keep it safe. And it seems to be a little less accurate than my old one. So I may have to go back and tweak this one or rebuild this. This one here worked out surprisingly well. This is what we call a panel sled. It's the first time I've ever used one, and I could see myself using this quite often. Many times I needed one here in the shop, and now I got one, and it is dead on accurate, and believe it or not, I got it on the first try. I didn't have to adjust anything, or it just was perfect right off the bat. There's many uses for a panel sled, and I can't believe I haven't done one in the past. So I am super happy to have that one. I have two more sleds that I want to rebuild. I want to rebuild my crosscut sled, but right now it is set up perfect and it's doing a good job, so I'm going to hold off on that one. The next sled I'm going to build is going to take me a little bit of time, because this one is going to have stepper motors and Arduinos running different things, and that one should be a really cool sled. So I'm looking forward to building that one. I'm going to separate that one from this video because that one's going to take a little bit of time and a little bit of setup. Plus I'm waiting on one more part to come in. So that's all I got for you this week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.